Are you looking for a way to make money online? Then this video is absolutely for you, because right here in this video I'm going to give you a complete review of this particular website called the Paidwork.com. I'm going to show you how you could easily earn money on the platform, the pros and cons of this platform, and also stick on with me as we dive right into that. If you're new to my channel, OJ Marketing, I make videos on cool ways to make money online, and supposing you do like such kind of content, you can scroll through my channel. There are a lot of videos to help you out. You could also hit the like button to the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your notification bell on all. And guys, before we jump on further into the video, you may want to check out the first link in the description of the video to gain access to an amazing course. Now this course is absolutely for people interested in making money on YouTube, as this course will teach you how to create a 3 hours YouTube work plan to fast track your earnings on YouTube and earn up to $2,000 to $3,000 every single month. Now the course is actually being sold for just $50 right now instead of $200. Now this promo is actually, or this giveaway price is actually going to last till April 1st 2021 right now. So why not just simply go on to grabbing your own copy right now and actually save up to $150. Now you could use the first link in the description of the video to come onto this page, and you can actually scroll through, see more details about the course and how amazing this is. Also the payment proof of people that have utilized this course previously. You can actually come on to watching this live video payment proof right now. So that's absolutely amazing also. So check out this course and don't miss out on this opportunity. So heading right back into the video of today, like I said, this is an amazing platform called the Paidwork.com, and this platform you can easily go into earning money either with your phone, computers, tablets, and get paid wherever you are without any investment. Now this is actually a platform that you can work remotely from any location out there in the world and start earning some cool cash, as this is actually available for people that are utilizing Apple iOS devices and also the Android devices right now. You just need to come onto the platform, download the application, and start using the application to turn your time into profits. Now there are actually some cool and amazing benefits of this platform right now. Maybe you may want to just simply understand the platform better by checking how it works. Now this is how it actually works right now. In 3 simple steps, you can actually know much more details about how it works. The first step right now involves you selecting a method of earning, and there are actually up to 6 various methods of earning on the platform. You can actually start earning right now. After selecting your method, you're going to be shown some simple tasks for you to do, start earning, and you could easily go on to acquiring some cool cash and leave the admin stuff to this platform right now called the Paidwork.com. Now you can earn money on this platform with either of these ways right now. The first strategy to earn money on the platform is by playing games. Another strategy right now is to actually go on to filling out surveys. Maybe you want to watch videos, do online shopping, complete some micro tabs, or go on to mining cryptocurrencies. Now with any of these particular strategies or offers, you could easily make some money by completing some simple tasks in such categories of offers. Now you can actually start making money today with this platform. Now here are actually some of the resources available right now. Like I said, the method of earning, playing games, filling out surveys, online shopping, watching videos, micro taxing, and also the mining cryptocurrencies. Now you can also go on to checking out monetization tips that you could easily earn by inviting other individuals to come onto the platform. So this is basically like affiliate marketing. Once you invite other individuals to go on to sign up to the platform, once they earn some cool cash, or once they actually do go on to making a payment, as you can see right here, if the person you actually invite makes their first payout, you will both get $10 free, and that's also a very cool way to earn money with the platform. So all you need to do first of all is to come on to sign up to the platform. Once you sign up right now, you will be brought to a dashboard that will look exactly like this, because this is actually a new account, and you'll be brought to the dashboard that look exactly like this. Now if you click on this earn section, it's going to take you right here to this page where you can actually choose a method of your earning. Now you can see that right here, you may be actually earning some points after completing some simple tasks, maybe by playing game, watching videos, online shopping, and doing some filling out surveys and the rest. You may also go on to earning some cool points from some such kind of tasks right now, and the 100 points is actually equivalent to $1 right here. Now if you do click on play games right now, it's going to show you much more details about this, that you need to install the game first you like and complete a specific task in the game. Now the game actually includes games like Monopoly Go, Subway Surfers, Candy Crush, 8-Ball Pool, Roblox, and a lot more other cool games right now. These are games that on a normal day you're actually going to play in them. Now, it is not actually quite easy for you to go into earning money with this platform just by playing games. Now, in such games, you're actually going to be given a simple task right there. The task might actually be to go onto maybe completing something, and you can actually do see right here, the task might actually be for you to reach a certain character level or unlock a feature. Now, that's an example of a task that you might be given in that specific game, and some tasks take several days to complete. The more difficult the task is, the more you actually earn. And you can see right now with this particular game playing, you can earn up to from 10 cents to actually $50 right now. So that's a cool way to go into earning. Maybe you could just simply click on play, go into completing some tasks, and start earning some cool cash. And guys, you can actually go into checking out much more details right there from the other ways to earn money right now. As you can see, if you want to watch videos right here, you can actually do see that you're going to be earning from 0.1 points to about 1 point, and the videos actually are a 30 seconds video ads, which if you do watch right now, you're going to get paid some cool cash for that. Now, you can actually go into checking out other offers also. You can see offers involving online shopping, filling out survey, micro tax. Maybe if you click on micro tax, you can see much more details right now that you could earn from 10 cents to actually $200 utilizing this simple platform. So all you need to do is to come onto the platform, actually sign up for an account, go on to completing some simple tasks, or go on to playing some games, and you can actually start earning some cool cash with the platform. So don't forget about the referral strategy, where you could just simply get your referral link, promote that to your friends and families, and actually start making money once they actually do go on to making their first withdrawal or their first purchase right now. So that's absolutely amazing, and I do hope the video was helpful to you. If yes, do hit the like button to the video, make sure you subscribe to the channel, and make sure your notification bell is always turned on all. Also, don't forget the first link in the description of the video to gain access to this amazing course, which is a 3 hours YouTube work plan to help you fast track your channel growth and revenue on YouTube. So that's it for now. Thank you all for watching, and goodbye.